and thank you all for joining MKS today on this very special occasion. It is with great pride and excitement that we gather here to celebrate the groundbreaking of MKS's new Supercenter factory. This groundbreaking marks a significant milestone for MKS. This state-of-the-art facility, our largest in the world, will support the production of wafer fabrication equipment in the region and globally. The factory will be located on a 17-acre plot spanning approximately 46,000 square meters and will employ approximately 1,000 people. Together, we are building more than just a factory. We are building a future of opportunity and success.
I am delighted to be here today for the groundbreaking for the new MKS Supercenter factory. This is another prime example of the strong partnership that exists between the United States and Malaysia.
I would like to express my gratitude to be invited for the groundbreaking ceremony of MKS Instruments Supercenter factory here at Batu Kawan Industrial Park.
3, 2,